Water leaking from the faucet base? You gotta fix that fast before it turns into a total mess. Alright, here's the deal. First off, you want to check those faucet mounting nuts under the sink because sometimes they just get loose over time. Grab a wrench and tighten them up, but don't go crazy or you might strip the threads. If that doesn't do the trick, the seals inside the faucet might be shot. You can buy replacement seals at any hardware store, and swapping them out is usually pretty straightforward. Just make sure to turn off your water first, or you'll have a mini flood situation. When you're taking the faucet apart, keep track of all the little parts so nothing gets lost. Also, cleaning out any gunk or mineral buildup can help the seals sit better and stop leaks. If your faucet is old and worn out, sometimes it's easier to just replace the whole thing instead of trying to fix it piece by piece. And always double check for leaks after you put everything back together by running the water for a few minutes. One of the biggest pitfalls with fixing a leaking faucet base is not tightening those mounting nuts enough, which means the leak just keeps coming back. So make sure they're snug but not over-tightened. Another common issue is ignoring worn-out seals. If you just tighten without changing those seals, you're wasting your time because they'll keep leaking. Lastly, people often forget to shut off the water before starting, which leads to surprise water spraying everywhere. Always turn off your water supply valves first, and maybe even shut off the main if you're not sure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with reliable local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients and grow their business without all the hassle of marketing on their own.